mantra and objective of this partnership between our university and the global software powerhouse, the Amber Group, is to facilitate the ambitious goal of establishing 100 technology-based startups in 1,000 days. Through this program, we are going to finance these startups, we're going to train them, we are going to give them access to software and other resources.
What it involves is it's a comprehensive support system, end-to-end development and founder protection for any founder who wants to work with us under the Amber UTECH umbrella. So what do we provide to the founders? One, we provide a whole end-to-end development of their product. You will never have to go beg for money to finish your product and roll it out into the market, ever. So that was the first big milestone we wanted to conquer. Because I have gone through that. I ran out of funding halfway.
So this philanthropic collaborative program between Amber and UTECH is about to usher in a groundbreaking transformation to the technology-based startup entrepreneurial ecosystem in Jamaica. As part of this collaboration, UTECH, through our Technology Innovation Center, the TIC, will provide incubation services to the selected startup businesses in the LaunchPad program.
We provide a full founder protection also. That means there will be a capped equity. So that also means you'll always remain the majority shareholder of this business, no matter what I need to spend to get your business into 100 countries. It's a complete concept to company support, and we provide global sales and marketing support because we already built the rails to go into the whole world from here. UTECH is going to provide the office infrastructure to all these startups. They will be receiving full support in terms of office space, electricity, internet, and proper training at the same time. So it'll be a one-year project. In 1 year, our intention is that we take you from training while we're parallelly building your product, and we launch you out into the whole world through our marketing channel. Amber is already serving more than millions of customers all over the world directly, and hundreds and thousands in Jamaica too. So we already have the whole ecosystem to launch them out into the world.
The Amber UTECH Launchpad signals a significant and meaningful opportunity for Jamaican citizens of all ages and socioeconomic backgrounds, including tertiary students, to realize their dreams of establishing thriving businesses. So this program is going to offer an awesome opportunity like no other to ignite tech-focused business ideas that are relevant to Jamaica's development agenda and is well poised to add significant value by creating jobs and ultimately stimulating economic growth.
Entrepreneurship is an essential driver of economic growth and prosperity. It is the driver of innovation. It is what drives us to take advantage of opportunities.
I congratulate Ambassador Savagia, the Amber Group and UTECH for taking a bold and absolutely necessary step to accelerate the development of our country with an acute focus on entrepreneurial education. And I am sincerely encouraged by this initiative, and as a member of the private sector that stands to benefit tremendously from the success of this venture, I want to pledge and put on record my personal support and my willingness to help in whatever way I can.
Today I am particularly hopeful about the Amber UTECH Launchpad, as it is my wish that we continue to modernize and digitally transform our nation as we also reshape Jamaica's technology landscape and provide essential support financing for startups and SMEs.
The applications will be open till April 6th. So for 1 month, you will go to the My Amber Group website, you click on the link, you go upload your concept, you upload what you want to build, and there are a series of questions you will answer, and you will go into a shortlisting process. Once the shortlisting process is over, the results will be announced on 25th of April, where we will start with season 1. I'm going to do it like Shark Tank. And we are also televising the whole event, every single thing. So we're going to do 10 seasons in 3 years to launch 100 startups. So we also need to polish them, hone them a little bit to how to make pitches, how to understand business, and be ready for questions that the judges will ask from the business community. And finally, we will take the first 10 startups from season 1 and bring them into UTECH and roll them out in the next 1 year or so. But there'll be one season after another. We intend to do 10 seasons back to back in 3 years. That is why we say 100 startups in 1,000 days. Wouldn't it be amazing? 100 new businesses in Jamaica. We invite all the aspiring entrepreneurs, investors, industry professionals to get involved with the Amber UTECH LaunchPad as participants, as mentors or supporters. We have a vision for the future of Jamaica's technology ecosystem, envisioning a thriving community of innovators, creators, and change makers, driving positive change and prosperity for all.